Cooking with Chavez, cooking with Chavez, cooking with Chavez. Today we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. Step 1, cookie dough. Step 2, roll them to balls. Pause. And make how many you want. I'm gonna make probably 6 or 7 cookies. Come on, roll them like really good boys. You want to smash them. Boom. You need another one. Another one. Time to make another one. So make how many you want. I'm gonna make probably 6 or 7 cookies. 6, 7. All right. So roll these to balls. Here's 3. There's 3. Gotta roll a little more. 3. Oh, actually, let's make a little spreader. 3. Then we need 4. Put this in. Put these balls in. Four. Alright, we gotta split the cookie dough in half. This is gonna be good. Here we go. 4. I made 5. I'm so stupid for not counting it. Then here's 6. I'm actually not doing 6, 7. 6 or 7 cookies. I'm gonna just 6 cookies. Oh, too much cookie dough.